Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. Today I will show you 3 healthy smoothie recipes to boost your healthy breakfast menu. These smoothies are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and lots more. These smoothies not only will help to maintain your energy level throughout the day but also in losing weight. So let's begin. First one is a green smoothie. For this, take a mixture jar, add half a cup of plain or coconut water, some chopped kiwi, some cucumber. Add cucumber along with its skin as it is a good source of fiber and antioxidants. Add some chopped mint leaves, some chaat masala, and finally some honey. There are no proper measurements. You can add all the ingredients as per your taste. You can also add some spinach leaves into this. Now grind all the ingredients together until smooth. And that's it. Your green smoothie is ready. Now the second one. For this, take a mixture jar, add some water or milk, some curd, some chopped apple, some sliced banana, some ground flaxseed powder, and finally some oats. Now just grind all of them together and it's ready. The third one is more like a refreshing drink. To prepare this, add some coconut water or plain water in a mixture jar. Then add some chopped watermelon. Add some orange pulp. I have discarded the skin. Add some lemon juice. Some chaat masala and some honey. Add every ingredient according to your taste. Now grind them until smooth. That's it. It's ready to be served. These 3 smoothies are full of nutrition and are a healthy option for breakfast. Do try these smoothies and enjoy a healthy life. See you soon guys. Happy eating.